How often should I change my oil? So the right answer is going to be 6,000 kilometers for conventional oil change, which is around 3,800 miles. And for synthetic oil changes, it's going to be 8,000 kilometers, which is around 5,000 miles. If you do drive a car with a GDI engine, I would suggest to go a bit more aggressive on the oil changes just to avoid some oil dilution from the gasoline. So you could go 5,000 kilometers for oil changes, which is around 3,000 miles. So the oil change is the most basic and most important maintenance you should do on your car. This is going to help protect your engine and avoid any costly damage to your engine in the future caused by lacks of oil change.